Join me as I dive into Japan's latest wood-paneled satellite innovation and see if I can figure out how this unique design could change space tech forever. In a world where technology and tradition often seem like opposing forces, Japan has found a way to blend the two in a truly remarkable way, by designing satellites with wood panels. This might sound like an oxymoron, but trust me, it's an innovation that's about to blow your mind. Traditional satellite materials have a lot of drawbacks. For one, they're often extremely heavy, which makes them expensive to launch into space. They're also prone to cracking and degrading over time, which can severely impact their performance. And let's not forget about the environmental impact of producing and disposing of these materials. It's a significant concern in an era where sustainability is more important than ever. Another major challenge is the harsh conditions of space itself. Satellites are exposed to extreme temperatures, radiation, and even the vacuum of space, which can cause materials to expand and contract in extreme ways. This can lead to all sorts of problems, from communication blackouts to complete system failures. And finally, there's the issue of electronic waste. When a satellite reaches the end of its life cycle, it can become a hazardous piece of space junk, polluting our orbit and threatening future generations. Japanese engineers have been working tirelessly to find a solution to these problems, and that's where wood comes in. Yes, you heard that right, wood. It's a material that's been used for centuries, but has some remarkable properties that make it an ideal candidate for satellite design. It's lightweight, durable, and can even be used to create complex shapes and structures. By integrating wood into satellite design, Japanese engineers are creating a new generation of satellites that are not only more sustainable but also more efficient. They're exploring ways to use wood to create complex structures, like lattice frames and honeycomb patterns, that can provide incredible strength while minimizing weight. They're also experimenting with different types of wood, from traditional timber to more exotic varieties, to find the perfect balance of durability and sustainability. One of the most compelling aspects of this innovation is the successful launch of a wood-paneled satellite into orbit. This milestone marks a major breakthrough in the development of sustainable satellite technology, and opens up a world of possibilities for future space exploration. Imagine a constellation of satellites, each one built with wood and working together to provide global internet coverage, or monitor climate change, or even provide early warning systems for natural disasters. The potential applications are endless, and the technology behind it is nothing short of groundbreaking. By harnessing the power of wood, Japanese engineers are rewriting the rulebook on satellite design, and paving the way for a more sustainable future in space. So there you have it, Japan's shocking wood-paneled satellite innovation revealed. It's a testament to human ingenuity, creativity, and the relentless pursuit of innovation. The future of satellite technology has never looked brighter, and I for one can't wait to see what's next. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to share your thoughts on this innovation in the comments below. If you want to explore more mind-blowing tech innovations, be sure to check out our next video, where we'll be diving into the world of quantum computing. See you in the next one.